Hello guys, welcome back to a new video of Animal Company, and today we're going to be with where the frick are you, buddy? This guy right here. We're both recording. Yeah. So first of all, I got some kids stole my flashlight back this morning. That's okay. Anyway, we're gonna be going into the mines. We're gonna be going into the mines, aren't we?
Yeah. And this guy has like 20 minutes left. And that's not good for my
Let me find I gotta find like stuff I need. I might have to buy some. Might have to just buy one of these. So we're gonna go into mines, correct? Mines?
Yeah. Mines are like the space map.
Right,
Space map first, cause
I kinda need broccoli.
Research point.
Oh wait, can I get it, please? Can I get it?
All things in the mines, but I'm gonna get the planet.
Oh man, okay.
When I get one research point, you can have the other thing.
Okay. Come on, let's go.
Cause I don't need more.
The last time I went to the space map, my friend stole my golden pick. So I'm kind of skeptical about it, but it's okay. You coming?
Where are you?
Space map. Or not space map, but I'm in mines. I'm at the start of mines. Oh, there you are.
Wait.
There you are. I can't see. I found you.
Oh, here.
Hello. Come on, let's go. I have flashlight bags, so don't need to worry about light. We can get like gold and stuff too, because I'm broke as hell.
Yeah.
I have 4 nuts, buddy. I have 4 nuts. Ah! Down the mine we go. Oh no.
That was so funny, bro.
I'm scared, bro.
Wait.
I'm scared. Oh, there's a lot of research points.
Should we mine here too? Yeah.
We could mine down here. I found the way.
No, no. That's the wrong way.
It's this way.
We're going the wrong way.
Yeah, we're going to
space.
We're going to space. Which is like 10 times better than down here. It's over here.
Wait. I'm stuck.
How'd you get stuck?
Wait, I'm stuck.
I know, I'm waiting for you.
Wait, I'm mining here too?
No. It's not good enough. You need to find a better bit. I hear the spider above me. Nope. Come get these research points. Alright, come on, let's go. Up here. Up here. Up here. Over there, bro.
Yes, bro.
Over there. And then just grapple to the side, yeah. Anyways, yeah, guys, we're going to the new space map. This came out like a week ago or something like that. I don't know. It's really fun. I'm stuck. Alright, no. Can I get some?
Wait. I don't get it.
We're gonna get like 1 bottle.
Wait, the box.
Oh no.
Where's the box?
Oh, there goes my pick. Make it over to the broccoli map.
No. Wait. Should we go back?
Yeah, get broccoli first though.
Let's go back and then go.
My grappler's gone for some reason.
I forgot the name of it. We should go in here.
I need to become small.
We should go in here and then like search research points.
Somebody's here.
You got some gold stuff? Oh, your grappler. Your grappler. There.
Oh, thank you.
I want to be small, bro.
We should go in the thing.
I'm only going to be recording for like 5 more minutes, guys. I have to go, sadly. But this is my uploading schedule. So you guys should be grateful I'm even recording. And with somebody. So, yeah. Also, come. There is a new thing that they added. The Toasty Varsity Jacket. So if y'all want to get this, do Toasty. Wait, what is it? What's the code?
Toasty jacket, I think.
Toasty Space Jacket.
Really?
So like Toasty Jacket.
Wait, what did it mean? Toasty and then?
And then space. Jacket.
Redeem code Toasty jacket failed, not found.
Weird. Maybe it was only out for a limited time. Yo, do you have any like crackers or anything?
No, I just have an apple and a scanner.
Oh wait, can I have the apple, please?
I have one.
I'll dupe it.
Did you have one of these?
No. I'm gonna put this in my bag.
Can we trade it?
I don't know if we could trade.
Or sticks, bro. No.
One more stick.
I'm eating it right now.
Alright, I gotta go.
I eat it, bro.
No way you eat it. You know why you ate it. Oh. Can I hold it really quick? I'm not gonna take it. Trust me, on my life. I've never seen an apple in this game before. Tree stick!
Stick.
Stick.
Stick. Yeah! Hoo, 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 hoo. Let's go in there, okay? Please, please.
I have to
don't
go.
want to go in there alone. I don't want to go in there alone, bro.
I have to go though.
Just go now, bro.
No, I can't. I literally.
Okay, guys.
There's some free
That's
sticks
it.
if you need a weapon.
I don't know why the video has no, like, everything like that. But, okay. I am gonna end this video, but I think I'm gonna do a part 2, but, like, very soon or something.
With him.
'Cause I
I'm
don't
doing the
know-
part 2 with you.
Okay.
I'm doing the part 2 with you. So when do you want to
It's
schedule
like-
it though? When do you want to schedule it though? Because don't like when, like in 2 days,
Wait.
3 days.
Wait,
Because I'm free whenever.
when I drop this, they can't see.
When do you
The-
want to upload? When do you want to
Oh.
upload the video? Because I'm free whenever. Like in 3 days, a week. Like when?
Today, maybe.
Part 2
Or,
today.
like- No. I have school.
Yeah, no. Like I was
tomorrow.
talking about when you want to upload part 2. Like when do you want to make it?
I don't know. Tomorrow, maybe.
All right, tomorrow. All right, that seems good. All right, goodbye, everybody. Thank you for watching. If you did watch, thank you.
Did you want to say something?
Yeah. Skibbity! Ah!
Skibbity.